I bought and tested these ice fishing rod and reel combos so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Ice fishing can be an expensive hobby, and with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right gear. I'm here to share my hands-on experiences to help you make an informed decision.
Product number 1. Ugly Stick GX2 Ice Fishing Reel and Spinning Rod Combo. When I first got my hands on the Ugly Stick GX2 Ice Fishing Combo, I was immediately impressed by its build quality. The 32-inch rod is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle during long hours on the ice. The balance is spot on, which is essential when you're trying to feel those subtle bites from walleye. I took it out on a brisk winter day, and the first thing I noticed was how well it handled the cold. The EVA grips offered a comfy hold, even with gloves on. The performance of the size 20 reel was simply fantastic. With a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1, I felt like I could quickly retrieve my line when needed, which is a game changer when you're dealing with fast-moving fish. The aluminum spool is not only lightweight but also corrosion-resistant, ensuring longevity in harsh weather conditions. I caught a couple of decent-sized walleye that day, and the Ugly Tough guides kept everything running smoothly, significantly reducing line fray. However, while the rod is incredibly tough, some may find its weight a bit on the heavier side compared to other lightweight models. But for me, the durability outweighed that slight inconvenience. In conclusion, the Ugly Stick GX2 is perfect for those serious about ice fishing. It's built to last and offers a great blend of sensitivity and strength, making it a worthy investment for any angler looking to hook walleye. You can't go wrong with this combo for just $44.99.
Product number 2. Ugly Stick Elite Ice Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo. Next up is the Ugly Stick Elite Ice Spinning Combo. The first thing that caught my attention was its sleek design and lightweight feel. Weighing in at just 8.78 ounces, this combo is an absolute joy to handle. As I set out to test it on a local lake, I was immediately struck by how sensitive the rod was. With its Ugly Tech construction, it strikes a perfect balance between strength and sensitivity, allowing me to feel even the lightest nibbles. One of my favorite features was the 3-bearing system in the reel. It made for incredibly smooth retrieves, which is crucial when you're battling a walleye. The aluminum spool is both durable and lightweight, which significantly aids in casting. I had a couple of great runs, and I could feel the rod responding beautifully, bending just enough to keep the fish hooked without breaking the line. On the downside, the sensitivity might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a more robust, less flexible rod. Some beginners might find it a bit challenging to get used to. But if you're looking for a high-performance ice fishing combo, the Ugly Stick Elite is hard to beat for $59.95. It's a solid choice for anyone serious about their ice fishing adventures.
Product number 3, Ugly Stick GX2 Ice Spinning Reel and Fishing Rod Combo, 26 inches. The Ugly Stick GX2 Ice Spinning Combo in the 26-inch variant is another fantastic option. I took this one out on a winter weekend trip, and it was the perfect size for tight spots. The shorter length made it easier to maneuver in smaller ice holes, and I could feel the fish better with this more compact setup. This combo features the same quality construction as its bigger brother, with a genuine Ugly Stick blank and a clear tip design that adds both strength and sensitivity. I was able to test its limits with a few challenging walleye, and I was impressed with how well it held up. The PVD-coated guides helped keep my line in check, reducing fray and ensuring I could focus on the catch. However, while the shorter rod is great for tight spaces, those who prefer longer casts might find it limiting. It's also worth noting that this rod only weighs 0.1 kilograms, making it incredibly light, but it does sacrifice a bit of stability in windy conditions. At $46.99, this combo is a great investment for those who want a reliable setup without the bulk. If you're ice fishing in confined areas, this rod is a must-have.
Now let's talk about the Aventic Ultralight Ice Fishing Rod Reel Combo. Priced at just $21.99, I was curious to see how this budget-friendly option would perform. We took it to a local ice fishing spot, and I was pleasantly surprised. The 28-inch rod is incredibly lightweight thanks to its carbon fiber construction. This made it easy to transport and handle, even for extended periods. The hollow design adds some unique features. It's sensitive enough for panfish, but powerful enough to handle walleye. I appreciated the high-density EVA handles. They provided a great grip even when wet. I was able to feel every little nibble, which is essential when targeting walleye. The AW100 reel paired with the rod is also quite impressive. It features a smooth line retrieval that made it easy to reel in fish. However, the drawback is that it may not be as durable as higher-end models. If you're targeting larger fish regularly, you might want to invest in something sturdier. Regardless, for casual anglers or beginners, this combo delivers excellent value for money, making it a great introduction to ice fishing.
Product number 5. Aventic Ultralight Ice Fishing Rod Reel Combo, 26 inches. Lastly, we have the Aventic Ultralight Ice Fishing Combo in the 26-inch version. I found this to be a fantastic choice for those who want a lightweight setup without sacrificing performance. During my test, I found it incredibly responsive and sensitive, which is crucial when fishing for walleye. The two-piece design made it super easy to stow away in the car. The guides had bigger eyes, which minimized ice accumulation, and that was a game changer on those frigid days. The reel, similar to its 28-inch counterpart, features shielded stainless steel ball bearings that provide a smooth running experience. I felt confident casting and reeling in fish, even in the cold. However, like the other Aventic model, it may not withstand heavy use over time, especially if you're targeting larger species regularly. At $26.99, this combo is affordable and offers great functionality, making it perfect for someone looking to get into ice fishing without breaking the bank. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, lightweight rod and reel combo.